Free fat-burning diet plan for men and women. Diet is a huge part of the fat loss equation. It's the backbone of your entire plan, the foundation of a hard body. Bodybuilding nutrition consultant Jim Juge says nutrition determines your success or failure, plain and simple. The diet is 65% of what you need to get in shape, he says. Jude would know, as he's helped countless dedicated people reach their goals, from achieving their best body ever to placing first in bodybuilding competitions. You've got 28 days to get to your goal, so we've recruited Jude to help you every step of the way. With just under a month, there's no time to fool around, so get started on your high-protein meal plan now to lose weight and build muscle while you're at it. Come breakfast time tomorrow, follow his plan as strictly as you can and get ready to show off those impressive muscles in a month. There's just no way around the diet, says Juge, and eating clean is the name of this get lean game. Juge's diet plan is filled with fresh, clean foods that are as unprocessed as possible. Habits and cravings are the devil when it comes to dieting. Juge explains that it takes a good week or two to ease into dieting. You'll now have to bring your food with you and resist the temptation of spicing up your meal with the Doritos in the vending machine or your usual can of Coke. To stay motivated and deal with cravings, Juge has a couple of great recommendations. First, schedule a cheat meal on every 7th day. Many of my clients have their cheat meal on Sunday, so then they're ready for Monday and the week to come, he says. If you feel deprived during the week, concentrate on the cheat meal to come, knowing you can eat absolutely anything you want to: pizza, lasagna, donuts, beer, chips, you name it. Remember, though, it's just one cheat meal, not an entire day of cheating. Afterward, get right back on the wagon with your next scheduled meal. When it comes to cravings, protein drinks and bars may also help cure your need for sugar, says Juge. He recommends mixing a flavored protein powder in a blender with as much ice as possible, so it'll taste more like a milkshake. Day 5's protein shake includes a cup of berries, which will also help with sugar cravings. Once or twice per week, Juge adds, you can have a low-sugar, high-protein bar. Your habits and cravings may both rear their heads at restaurants, where it's easy to blow your diet in seconds. To stick to the plan, says Juge, be diligent in ordering. That way it's not such a drastic change and you'll be less likely to put all the weight back on when the diet's done, he adds. If you haven't lost any weight after the first week, it may be time to troubleshoot. Instead of one cardio session per day, he recommends doing 45 minutes of cardio in the morning on an empty stomach. If that doesn't stimulate weight loss, Juge's second line of defense is to cut carbs slightly. Eat this low-carb diet for 2 days, then insert one higher carb day, 150 grams. Eating right will help you shed fat, increase your energy, and definitely look the way you want to. Follow this Get Lean plan faithfully and you'll be showing off your new, leaner body in less than a month. There's no fat or cholesterol and they're pure protein. It's low in sugar, high in fiber, and provides sustained energy. Your 28 days are up, you look great and want to keep it that way. Juge has an easy plan to maintain your body, yet enjoy greater flexibility with your diet. If you're at home, it's much easier to do. Just scramble a few egg whites and have a whole grain item, whole wheat bread or a bagel, for instance, and/or some fruit. Eat dinner at home, again a healthy, clean meal consisting of a lean protein source, green vegetables, and whole grains. Then, bring a protein shake or bar with you to work for a midday meal.